Watch out the pum pum.
The last time a girl tell me said, so the man I walk when she look back at him, he almost want to reach in her blood clot house.
No. You understand me?
Sure.
Easy as that, my brother, man.
Yeah, man, real talk, man.
No people are ready. People are texting from me, my brother, man. Fuck yeah, tire.
It's a pain in the mind, brother.
What I mean, a pain? Hey, it hurt when people are talking about me there, you know. Tracing the station now, say, no, it hurt, you know, you. It hurt, no blood clot.
It's the pain in the mind, my brother.
You don't believe it now, hurt. I'm not trying to live something. We see you, see where I go on, and you see where I go on. This is when we make the move and fuck her up. We can't see a long time.
Say that really fuck her up.
Fuck her up, fuck her down, you know, say my virgin. Them people have cut out them thing, man. Come here now, right now. We don't have nothing with it. We never see her until I say already. Never.
Sure.
We not trouble her.
Man.
If you know
You understand me, my brother?
if you go easy sometimes, you look
Yeah, man, with the right, that's why we have meditation. And every day them come here, so we some little fuck up argument.
yeah. Very good, him sugar is try.
So should I come back as again?
Yeah, no.
The man, me no love war, you know, my
Tell man,
brethren.
join a head one time.
Me no love war, my brethren.
I say, I make sure I want
That's what I want some people, man, make some people see where I want, man. You understand me?
Yeah.
Me not go nobody here, but what me hungry, me keep myself to myself.
Yeah, I walk to get ourselves busy.
You understand me, my brethren?
Yeah.
And this girl, I make
I tell you, I fuck it.
November.
Which party they are going? It's to be able to go and think about
Party over somebody.
it.
the people that talk good or bad about time, we no hear.
You know, say all I want is a fuck she want to give.
So you say, man.
Yeah, man, real talk. The wife you text it,
Woman,
man.
me have you. Me not for one, but me not for fuck my friend, no man.
Yeah.
Enough woman me have all today here to my brethren. Me not for fuck my friend, no man, for sure say me have woman. Easy as that, my brother, man.
Probably too she got shy for telling you that fuck she want.
She like him.
Talk about that, man. Not out of the argument. That different from all not talk about you.
Yeah, so she gonna want to
Just
fuck her
create somebody here for people do something. For sure what you can do.
Yeah, like she
People are
attack.
dead, they can't come back, come to people, no.
Yeah, why she attack you?
Eh? Why if you do people think when you're dead already, you?
Life a scratcher.
I say life a scratcher.
Life a scratcher, the ninja.
Easy the limja.
I think me ask you a while ago. You drop a last cross, right?
What you say last night, if you're gonna have bro?
You can't stop me from
What me you have? What's up, you What me you have?
me say now.
Me say, what me you have? What me you have?
Where you come from?
What me you have?
You must do.
That one, no.
Stop watch the rest of
What me you
my
watch you for? Me have woman, what me you watch you for? Me never beg you nothing yet, so me say watch you. Me and Dennis a friend. What me want from you?
The way you coming up, where you coming from? What
What's that name?
they could have exploded that night. Why now? Why now?
Man, you go to fuck and me pass a while you go know the park, man.
Them gonna
I'm see the impression of you, yeah.
The one most people give me a word by impression if I make that
They
bad
don't
of
give
you.
them the impression when
No,
they want to give you.
give me impression.
Me not give you the impression then.
Blood
So you give me it.
Forget about the impression.
So me a beg you for one a girl.
And then you walk in there I tell people them people say must bust my face. And people say, well,
Me
I tell
tell you
them
for
that.
one a girl,
You
man.
say you have a knife to walk on my face. But remember me, if you walk on my
No, I'm
face,
fine, me girl, man.
bite me. Yo,
I'm fighting, man.
blood classic for me. You are what? Fish on the trail. Hey, you take a knife and come. I want to go from your family now.
Oh, look,
So no, oh, you know I cut me across you. Avoid me, man. I tell you the truth, man. Me no want me have nothing girly. Avoid the girly. Avoid the girly. Please avoid the girly.
Watch out the pum pum.
The last time a girl tell me said, show the man I walk when she look back at him. He almost want to reach in her blood clot house.
I say, watch your pum pum.
The girl can big enough to say so. Watch man pussy say. You don't say.
You know where I'm
If it's a party girl on the road, 30.
Last night me come out of my yard. Out of my yard me I come from, you know.
Yeah.
We don't know where she come from. She said me a watch her.
Watch her pussy. Say watch your
Me
pussy.
no ask her for that, me a watch, man. Come me no know what she tell me, say. And she a put pop in my mouth, me no know what she tell me, say, yo.
What kind of pop?
Imagine now, me can't fight against you. And me see you so near my yard gate and do say nothing to. Then let me say something to you for so far. And you so near. I mean, so me fear do that. Take
watch your
sense out
pussy.
of sense, man.
I watch your pussy.
No.
Yeah, man.
Defense.
See my man, I fight from here, man. Walk and trouble your girl.
Trouble
Everywhere you see me, you say me I watch you.
Yeah, watch.
Me live a free street and she no live a free street and she say me I watch her. What kind of blood clot fool people there, man? She sit down all on me gateway and me walk past her. For sure say me not try for trouble her. And she still.
Stop and say they want to watch the movement. They come talk about impression. Impression what? What is your
Fool
impression?
yourself and try to fight my baby, man. Me not trouble you. I fight, man.
Say, baby.
You can't give me the money.
You are dopey.
You can't give me
Me
the
say you
money.
are dopey, you don't know me.
Yeah,
Me say you don't know me.
You don't know
We're
me.
willing to go to prison and
You
come
don't
back
care. You
again.
ball when they got blood clot.
Blood clot. You don't know me, girl.
You don't know me.
That's a random boss.
That's why I please fight, man.
Yeah, come talk about the minute for God jail and come back.
Yeah, man.
When I go street, you climb on the mesh like you want. You come out.
I like
Man. So on to she. I'm fight, man.
I don't know that one mention.
Right now, my blood have boiled.
Bumbuckler.
Any boy even ramp with me.
Yeah, man. I want to make you the cooler. I
Yeah.
fight me like a girl.
Yeah.
Stop.
I fight me. Hear that? I fight me.
I want it.
Alright, I fight no one of them then, no man. You say me wrong. I'm fight no one of them, man.
You see somebody when he said Africa on my face, him not even know what
Yeah.
my cousin got learn to walk on my face on the bridge. Probably open your body with a leg on
Cousin could have bad little more, man.
bad leg.
Bring your cousin to me.
If I go come blood,
Bring your cousin to me.
alright, don't come in my
Me say,
face.
bring your cousin to me and you want and you prove something. Bring your cousin to me.
Never bring go suck yourself and blood.
Bring your cousin to me, man.
Somebody never want.
You want to see Batman, man. You want to